So I've been watering the garden, but it keeps dying anyway. I don't know, the lettuce is just getting brown, and yeah, look at that. That green one is the red one, purple, whatever that is. Most of it is dead. I don't know why, to be honest. And you can see that it's not dry at all. So I water it. So all the ones that are planted on the little box things are dying. You know, this is a planter that's downstairs. Look at the herbs. The herbs died. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. This is really messing with me. But look at the spinach. It is flourishing, you know? It's sort of flourishing, but yeah, as you can see, I don't know. But touching it, it's still fine. But yeah, look at the lettuce down here as well. This one is doing much better, but still, man. And those herbs are fine. I'm not happy. I don't think we are as healthy as we are supposed to be out here. And then look at that. This is the one that is planted, like not on planters, but straight from the ground. I know I'm being weird saying it, as you can see, but I'm just trying to show you the difference. Like, no yellowness, no brownness. It's perfect. It's flourishing. That's the old spinach that we've had since 2020. This was planted in 2020. That as well. But these were planted all together with the other ones, and look at that. Like, it's really flourishing, to be honest with you. So I don't know and I don't have enough space to plant on the ground, right? It's mostly grass around here. But I mean, they're doing so great. This is the kale, and the kale is like flourishing for real. I really don't know what I have to do with the ones in the planters, but clearly I'm doing something wrong. If you have advice for me about what to do with the ones that are in planters, because they're not flourishing as much as the veggies that I planted straight on the ground, that my mom helped me plant straight on the ground. So yeah, help me out. How can I organically make sure that the plants are growing, the vegetables are growing? Because I'm not happy, and I don't want to kill another garden. To be honest with you, I don't want to kill another garden. Morning. Good morning. Well, it's morning for me. Anyway, if my face is glowing a little bit this morning, guys, I know I've been looking ashy and crusty for a long time. If my face is glowing a little bit today, it's because I'm trying out a new product. So I have the most sensitive skin under the sun, like very sensitive. I think my mom would testify to this, because she was paying most of, for most of the if not all, when we're in the trying stage. I've tried everything under the sun. Trust me, I've tried Nivea, I've tried L'Oreal, I've tried everything to a point where I got tired, because nothing would work on my skin, so I would buy the whole set, cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and it wouldn't work. It would give me pimples. I ended up just giving up and just using a kiss cream on my face for the longest time. And this one day I decided I want some foundation, and I went to Clinique. They decided to give me the cleanser, toner and moisturizer, the Clinique, as a free gift after buying the foundation. I tried them and that was it. I stuck to it because that's the only thing that worked for me. So even within the Clinique family, I can buy something like Moisture Surge. There's one that works. There's a pink one, Moisture something, that the pink one, the one that looks a bit pink, it works for me. Then there's another one that's clear. It gives me breakouts. So today I tried this one. It has CBD oil. It's called Glow Oil. Am I glowing? I hope I'm glowing. I edit, I look at my skin and I'm like, no man. So I used the glow oil today, and I'm hoping that it works. So if you see me with a huge zit here or here, it usually is somewhere here on my frown lines. You know, my aunt used to tell me, stop frowning, you will get wrinkles. Stop frowning. I've been a frowner since I was a kid, and even today. So that's why I've got these frown lines that irritate me so much. But just if you see me with a zit here or here or there, it means glow oil didn't work. And if it does work, it will be like a huge boo-boo, because a toddler spilled 3/4 of that glow oil before I even used it. So I don't know. I'll have to find it somewhere, somehow, and order it. And, you know, because once I find something that works for me, even my hands, guys, like, they've been going, as you can see, like, it looks all shwabanad, you know? It's and wabile, you know? It's very mbashile. It's because of the hand washes that I've used recently. My hands don't look like this, but the hand washes that I've been using and the sanitizers in the different shops, my hands have been struggling to recover from that. So yeah, skincare for me is a pain in the butt, a big pain in the butt, because I can never find something that works. But when I do find something that works, I cling to it with everything I've got. So yeah, I'm hoping this works out, and if it does, I'm gonna try find it wherever it is. Apparently it's got CBD oil. I am not gonna try and taste it and then go high from the CBD, but yeah, let's hope that it works, because I've tried all those whatever hyaluronic, I can't say that word, hyaluronic oils and stuff. I tried one from different kinds of places and it didn't work. Yeah, and Yeleti spilled that hyaluronic thingy as well. I had gotten one from, the one that she spilled was from L'Oreal. So yeah, get yourself a toddler. Get yourself a toddler. And I also struggle from, what do they call it, tinea? Here on my neck. Like, I don't know if it's still showing. It sometimes, you know, it looks weird. The discoloration will look like dirt, and that for me scares me. But I think my mom is posting me something to use for my, I'll put the name down. They call it tinea something, you know. When we grew up, they used to call it tin stuff. So with me, pregnancy, it brings it out. I've shelved a lot of vlogs. I mean, I had this beautiful vlog, but most of it, you know, like the camera was like so like close to my neck, and I thought, yo, people are gonna think this one doesn't bath. She does not bathe. And you know, I do bath, guys. I just have a condition called tinea blah, you know, and I used to use a certain ointment on it and it used to work, but now it doesn't work anymore. Well, it does, I can't find it anywhere. So yeah, my mom is sending me something and hopefully it works. But if you have the Tinea bloody blah as well, let me know what you're using. Let's help each other out. Another cream that I've been trying is my feet cracked to the core, cracked. And so I've been using a foot cream for this month, and I think it's helping. I bought two foot creams that I've been using. I've also been using them on my hands, guys.
Put your hands behind